ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
Ka Sarkar Jilla Lingba Katanat PWD Roads Kalamang Pisa Hado San Pau Klur Tingka Banshna Panbhano Yaka Surok Kabapnya So Nado Kashnong Mauplang Ter Shado Kashnong Wailoy Hado Balad Namar Bagani ka Surok Kalas Neo Shabapalat Bad Kalabo Jinge Rui Kipajba Hagalait Kawan UMLA Jong Kamausan Ram constituency Uba Himalaya Muktan Shangpliang Haga Jinga Kren Bat Kilat Pathai Khubor Hadin Balawai Ka Jingalang Jong Ka Public Accounts Committee Uliatho Baga Sorok Nado Kashnong Mauplang Hado Wailoy Kala Jot Rathai Kada Hado Baki Kali Kibayai Lingba Yakani Ka Sorok Kila Yakando Jinge Hado Kata Uliatho Ru Banekaliang Jong U Ulapan Sngo Hakmat Uskratri Jong Katanat PWD Roads Banshu Maramot No Malumala Katba Ampat La Banshna Penhe Yakani Ka Sorok.
With the Secretary PWD, since the PWD department was present in the meeting today, I did raise the issue relating to the deplorable conditions of the road from Mauplang to Balad. Particularly the road from Mauplang up to Wailoy is in a really bad shape. Hundreds of vehicles, they ply through this road, coming through from all the way from the southwest Khasi Hills, meaning all the way from Ranikor. Then there are trucks plying, carrying coal. There are trucks, heavy vehicle traffic. And this road has really gone in a very bad shape. I did inquire from the Secretary PWD, and he stated that there is a proposal for an amount of rupees 50 crores from a scheme called NADER. So the NADER scheme, they have sent the projections. But I said that in the immediate circumstances, I think they should take up some minor repair work of the road because it is causing a lot of inconveniences to the travelers along this road. The last few weeks before the restrictions were imposed, we could see hundreds of buses and trucks and small vehicles plying with picnickers going all the way to Khakoi and to the Lauba area. So in this condition of the road, I had requested the PWD department to take up the repair works immediately. So they have assured, and we will see how it goes from here on. Yeah.